Welcome back to Cooking Sazzy's Way. So we're going to do a winter warmer this evening. And we have got our broccoli and all the stem chopped up nicely. I'm going to add some carrot. Doesn't matter how big or how small these are, because they're going to get blended up into a nice thick curried soup. And then we've got some onions which we're going to chop up, and some potatoes as well. Not the lettuce, that's going in the fridge. And then we're just going to add some chicken stock to this, around 500 mils of chicken stock, and we're going to leave that to simmer for around 30 minutes. Catch you back soon, guys. So back with you guys, and in here we have just got some black pepper, some salt, some cayenne chili pepper, and we've got some Maggie's seasoning curry flavour. I'm going to add a few more bits to this, a bit of ginger, some garlic, some paprika, give it some good flavour and some good bang. Catch you all soon. So I've gone ahead and added some garlic and some chili flakes, and I'm going to add 2 beef stock cubes to this as well. I've added some yellow pepper and some red pepper in there as well. I have only got half an onion and half an onion uncut, and that's just for the flavourings. It's all going to be blended up anyway. Let's see how it gets on. Leave that to simmer for 30 minutes. Now this is all boiling up and softening up nicely. I added some ginger and garlic paste in the end, and some garlic granules, a bit more cayenne pepper, and I think that's it. Yes, that's it. And a few mixed herbs as well have gone in there, if I didn't already say that, guys. But we'll leave this, like I said, for 30 minutes, and it's softening up nicely. It'll get thicker as we leave it. Decided to add some chickpeas into the mix. It's going to be chickpea winter warmer, chickpea and vegetables, spicy curry, absolutely lush when it comes out. I've just had a little taste test of the yes, it does need some salt. I'll add some salt, and that can keep going. Still not quite there yet, but it will be soon. So guys, we're back, and we have blended, and it's looking a nice bright orange colour. We've still got a few big bits of potato flying around. We've not fully blended it yet. But it's so scrumptious. Let's have a little taste. Very nice. Very nice, very spicy. With some nice, warm, crusty bread. Yummy, yummy. Don't forget to smash a like, guys. Share it out if you can. And subscribe if you're not already. Catch you on the next one. Some creamy winter warmer soup with some brown bread. Yummy.